Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to do afternoon group for you guys. Let's do our rule song, okay? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job, you guys. I really appreciate you listening to my videos. Today, we're going to read a book, Life Cycle of a Plant. Okay, so we have our plant here, and it grew up nice and tall. The seeds need soil. So do you see the seeds? They need soil. Another word for soil is dirt. It looks like this. Okay. The seeds need rain. Do you see the rain coming down? Right? Over here. So rain gives us water. It gives us water. The seeds need sunlight. The seeds need what? Sunlight. Good. The seeds begin to sprout. Do you see the seeds? They are sprouting roots. They're going into the dirt. The seeds keep growing. They're growing up. See the stems? The seeds become a plant. You see the plant? The red flower, right? It grew up. The wind blows, the seeds scatter. The wind is blowing, or you could call that air, wind. You can make your own wind, right? It's windy. The seeds fall to the ground. When it's windy, the seeds go into the ground again. And then the cycle starts over. All right, so we kind of talked about what plants need, right? So I'm going to show you again. What was this called? This was called the dirt. Seeds need dirt. Nice. What else do seeds need? Do you remember? Yeah. Seeds need water. Good. What else do seeds need? Seeds need the sun to grow. To a plant, they need the sun. Right? And what was the last thing we talked about? Remember? Wind or air. That looks windy. Oops. All right, so let's look. I have my pictures here. Water, sun, and dirt. This word is dirt. Which one matches? This one, right? This one matches. Sorry. Now you can see. Let's put our word next to our picture. Dirt. Okay. How does this look? Dirt. What's next? What's this word? sun. Sound that out. Sun. Where's the sun? Right, this one, right? Let's match. All right. So we have dirt, sun. What's next? This is water. See, and the blue dot matches with that blue dot. Water. We're matching the words to the pictures. How does that look? Water, sun, and dirt. Oh yeah, we had one more, didn't we? But I knew. This one's very small. This says air, and we're going to put our air picture right next to it. And they match, right? Orange, orange, that's a match. Let's put it right there. Great. So what do plants need to grow, right? Water, sun, dirt, okay, and air. Awesome. Great. So if we put it in this form, it says plants need, and there's the water, there's the sun, there's the air, and there's the soil. Good. Now, this is on Boardmaker. I'll probably show you what this looks like on the screen in another video, but I can't do that right now. So we're going to improvise. This is my picture of the flower, right? And down here you can see sun, dirt, water, and air. And we can label the parts that we see, right? What's this one right here? Oops. The sun, right? Where does the sun go? The sun goes right here. What's this? Dirt. Where would the dirt go? The label. Would it go here or here? It would go here. That's right, because that's dirt. The seeds are in the dirt. What's this picture? Water, right? Where does the water go? You can point to it on your screen. Right. Water goes right here. And the last one is air. Our air looks like this, our label, but it's the same thing. Where does air go? Point to your screen if you want. Yes, it goes up here. Nice. So when it's all done, it kind of looks like this. There's our labeled picture. We have the sun, right? We have the air, we have the water, and we have the dirt. Great job, you guys. So that's what a plant needs. What does it need? Let's do it one more time. A plant needs dirt, sun, water, and air. Great job listening. Great job watching. And I'll see you later. Bye.